Hello guys, so today I'm going to tell you about few tips and tricks that will help you in Monopoly Go. So the first one is collect the shield. So fastest shields are basically elements that blocks others from damaging your landmark. Hence being an amateur, it's very important to gather some shield very fast. This is because at the very first, your empire is very small and if all of the built landmarks are broken, you will be left with a void. So you should at least collect a minimum of 3 shields. So, number 2, use the auto roll feature wisely. While playing the board game, you will come across the auto roll upgrade option. It is basically an upgrade through which you can roll the dice multiple times. You can use it by pressing the go button for a long period of time. So after you do that, you will be able to roll the dice multiple times. But sometimes you shouldn't use the auto roll feature or else you may end up in the jail option on the board. So calculate every step before pressing the auto roll. So the third is focus on gathering more landmarks. After you gather a handful of money, you have several options to invest them into, but your investment's first priority should always be the landmark. This is because if some other player will buy plot before you, you will lose your plot. Hence afterward, if you want to buy them again, you have to do it, but at an extra cost. Also, building more landmark will expand your empire. Now number 4. So you simply try to play mini games. Mini games are a free source of money. Many people actually ignores them, but mini games are the best source of extra money. As a result, never ignore and try to complete them as soon as you get the chance. The games are very easy, so earning cash should not be a problem. You can use the earned cash afterwards to do whatever you want. So the last and the fifth one is try to land on home when you build landscapes or knocked on others' property. So you will receive a house-shaped token. So the place where the token get placed can give you extra money. As a result, try to land on those places to earn extra cash. So that's it. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to our channel and take care.